Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can change your primary market on Shopify. So let's get right into it. Now, the way that you do this is a bit more complicated than usual processes, and you're going to need to set up a different market first, and to do that, you're going to need to set up different shipping rates. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into settings, and I'm going to go directly to my markets tab. As you can see, currently I have Serbia as my primary, and I also have Algeria, and I also have the international one, which is currently inactive. I'm going to add a new market. I'm going to choose whatever I want. I'm going to select the Ivory Coast, add the market, and you can name it whatever you want. I'll just name it test because why not? And then just click save or add, and it's going to add my market. Now, if I go into inactive, as you can see, I can't change this because it's missing shipping rates. So I'm going to go ahead and click here on shipping rates, and I can't select anything. So I'm just going to go over here and click on add rates. And this is going to take me to my shipping and delivery tab. I'm going to create a new profile. I'm going to name it Ivory Coast. I'm going to add a shipping zone, which is going to be the Ivory Coast. I'm going to name it, test because why not? Click done. And I'm going to add a rate, which I'm going to price at 12 francs. I'm going to name it again test, and this should be enough to add the shipping rate, which it is. Click save, and now we can go back into our markets tab. Here I'm going to go into the Ivory Coast, click on inactive, change it to active, which is required for this. And once it's active and saved, you can then click on more actions and click to make the primary market. Once you click that and click confirm, now if we go back to the menu, as you can see, Ivory Coast is my primary market, and that's pretty much all you need to do. It's as easy as that. However, of course, you should take more care and actually fill out all the needed details. I skipped over a lot of steps simply just to make a shipping rate which will work with this sort of test market, but that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.